Hey guys, this is another short video about part of the process. The sequence is not right because the camera didn't record, so when you get the first time in front of the paint it's gonna look like that. But I'm skipping to the other side. It's a paint stripper or paint remover. Just brush it in. Be generous. I was not very generous with it, so I work a little bit more. As you can see, it didn't took everything off in the first time. At that part, at the bottom, I was more generous with it. So very straightforward. Don't breathe that, and use good gloves. This substance, it's vicious, and the smell of it, it's horrible. Read all the hazards. Be safe. Use safety glass and decent gloves. I burn myself a little bit with that. That's it basically. You just brush it on, wait for a few minutes, depends on your product, read the manual, and then scrape it off. I did it twice, and then I kind of like wash it. I put some soap to kind of get rid of all the leftovers of it. After I will finish with it, and I have some other parts that I need to do some body filler. So we'll get to the body filler process. It'll be another video. Hope it was helpful for you to understand how it's working. It's very straightforward. Hope you enjoy it, and hope to see you in the next video. And ride safe. All the best, mates.